Beautiful day outside. The cold is back in full force, but with days like this, it doesn't matter. Good frosty night. And we're going to start today by lifting the bike up because I'm going to remove the suspension links. Must be open still. There we go. See if I can lift it up by the bash plate. I'll do what always works, and that's lift it up on the side stand, but I wanted to keep enough workspace on that side too, which is not the case if I do it this way. This is what I do on the road too, just put big rocks under it. Really a lot of pressure on it. Now that the pressure is off, should be easier. Yep. Take the spring one off. That will relieve the pressure of the big one. Funny how things have changed since we were putting it back together. The days of comfortable work are over now that everything's back together. Here we go. It's pretty handy. I should get a small one. With these, I don't have a vice grip. Something I was worried about when I was putting them back on is that the seals were sticking out, and as you can see, they have been damaged on both sides. I wonder if they're too big and need different seals. Well, that went fast. 5 minutes, because it's all new rust. Just flash rust. See, this is the link for the Africa Twin, and that's different, but the other piece is the same. I've noticed that the 94 master cylinder doesn't have a bleeding connector, and then what was hooked up to here, it's a lot different. I haven't seen this system, so does it pull or push outward when you brake? So it's not fluid all the way through down to the brakes. Going to replace the old master cylinder now. There we go. Should have loosened up when it was still tight. Oh, there we go. Nice, not leaking as hoped. You know how I was saying, should I paint it or not? The black matches pretty well, and it's in good condition. No one's going to see this section here. So all good, all on there. And quite frankly, at this stage, I care a bit less about it. Happy days. done that. Oh, that was easy. It says it doesn't really need a good stir. So this is a bit new, painting this kind of thing with a brush. You might still remember I ordered spray paint and I got this instead. Pretty fixed up, that Hammerite. So welcome to the future here. Very old future, but now I've also got adjustable brake, and it just brings it a bit closer than stock. So I always thought the brake was a bit far away, so I'm pretty chuffed with this. I have about 2 spare brake handles now, so let's see, how many did I get? Got this one, the one that came with the master cylinder, the one that broke in the spill, the one I got temporarily, and then the new one before this one. So all in all, 5 brake levers during this project. Brilliant. Right, so these had almost 4 hours to dry and are ready for the second coat. Thick application, this stuff. Second layer should be a bit harder to spot, overlap or not. I think I might have a little